All limitations are lifted. The lame jumped up from their wheelchair and walked. The blind sees. The barren conceive and born their children. The oppressed become free. It is total freedom by breaking the barriers of limitation. Tamale Northern Region, what are you waiting for? Get ready to attend Apostle Victor Hounkpati Crusade. Date 23 to 25th March 2023. Time 5 p.m. daily. Saturday 25th March 2023. Morning section 7 a.m. There will be one-on-one with God's own General Apostle Victor Hounkpati. Venue Tamale Jubilee Park. Tamale Jubilee Park. Team breaking the barriers of limitation. Chief host Apostle Victor Hounkpati. Tamale, come, see, witness the breaking of barriers of all limitation. Don't miss it. Jesus is Lord.